Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could paste multiple images at once in Figma. So to start things off, I have this frame right here, and inside I have three shapes. So you can see I have a frame, and nested inside this frame, I have three rectangles. And if I wanted to paste three images as a background at the same time, I could use the shortcut Command-Shift-K or Control-Shift-K. And when I do that, it will open up my file explorer, and I can select all the photos and go to open. And then I can paste each one from the stack. So I can click into this shape, and each one will paste as the background. Now, the one caveat to this is that this is working because the three of them were shapes. If I go down to this one right here, where I have all three as frames instead of rectangles, and tried that same thing, so I'll go Command-Shift-K, and I'll select those photos again, go to open. When I paste it inside, it's not pasting them as a perfect background, but rather a child element. So not the end of the world, but just you would have to make further modifications. So there you go, how you could quickly paste multiple images at once in Figma. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.